Hi, this is Miss Marcel and I am here to show you how to make this piece of paper into our foldable for our elements of art. So follow along. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of paper and we are going to fold it in half, hot dog style, as some of you know from elementary. I'm going to go ahead and get it lined up and then crease it. This is going to give us our division line down the center of our piece of paper. So if I open it up and turn it this way, now I have a crease down the middle, and that's going to be my division sign. The next is I need to now divide this into 8 sections for our elements of art. So I'm now going to take my piece of paper and fold it in half, hot dog. So all the way over, line it up again, and I guess this would be hamburger. I'm sorry if I said hot dog. So one time hot dog and then one time hamburger. Now we have 4 sections. So I need to now divide this into smaller sections. So I'm going to take this one end, I'm going to fold it to the middle. So here is my middle line right here. And I'm going to go ahead and fold it right directly to the center. And then go ahead and crease it. And then I'm going to fold it again to the center. So I've just folded it one time here, and I'm going to do it a second time going to the middle. I'm going to line it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and crease it all the way down. And so then when I unfold it, I should end up with 4 sections. So I've got 1, 2, 3 creases here with 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead and rotate my paper. I'm going to do the same on this side. I'm going to take my piece of paper. I'm going to go ahead and fold it to the center, this half. And then I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to lift this up. Here's where my crease is. I'm going to go ahead and fold it again to the center. And crease it, and then go ahead and open it up. This will allow me to have again 4 sections, and then I will end up with a total of 8. So if this is the top of my paper, this is where I will be able to write the elements of art. If I use the crease down the center, this is where I should put the word of, so I can write elements of and then art. On this side is where I'm going to do all of my illustrations of my words. And then on this half is where I'm going to have all of my definitions. If you want to, you could go with a ruler and then draw the lines in, dividing this so that you can definitely see those lines a little bit better. Also then leaving the top portion a little bit, leaving the top portion without the division line. I will show a finished piece at the end. Alright, once you have all of your folds, the next thing you're going to do is take a ruler, or you could use a straight edge. A book would also work. And we're going to go ahead and define these lines just so we can see them a little bit clearer. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide it down the center. With that, I'm going to leave this top portion open because this is where my title is going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that section there. And I'm going to line up my ruler with this fold that is down the center, like so. Go ahead and take my drawing tool. I'm going to use a Sharpie so that I can see that. And then the next part is just go ahead and connecting these lines that go straight across. So this top portion, I'm going to have a line that cuts across. This is just going to allow for my title. So now it looks like a giant T-chart, and now I'm just going to connect all of these straight across. So now that I have my finished piece, across the top is where it will state elements of art. I can use this center fold here for where the of could go, and then elements here and art here. On this side is where I'm going to do all my illustrations, and then on this side is where all my definitions are going to be.